Come with me today on a short photographic walk to the Todd River, some birds, some trains, Toby Price and Checkin as we prep for the Finke Desert Race.
So another beautiful day in paradise, which is, for me at the moment, it's the Northern Territory. Not too many people in yet, but I'm sure that a whole lot will arrive today and tomorrow. I'm off to do some photography of the local area, just wandering around, haven't walked anywhere for 4 days, been in a car, so let's see what we find. So here we are at what's commonly known as the Gap, and as you can see, that is an apt name. It's a natural gap in the, well, the hillside, the rocks that surround Alice Springs, and I've walked all of 10 minutes from where we're camping to get here. There's hawks and all sorts flying around. I don't know whether you can see that. Look at that. And they're just soaring around, having the time of their lives. Now I'm gathering that this is a riverbed, because that is a depth indicator, and I've just walked across a causeway. So I'm thinking that this might flood every now and again. At a guess. Northern Territory is very impressive so far. Can you tell I'm excited? I don't know. Am I? Yeah, I am. Just a bit. So, right next to the campsite, which is to the right of what you're looking at right now, is the railway line. Every now and again last night, the rumble of diesel, the rumble of lots of weight, just things passing by. Yeah, it was pretty impressive, the sound at night. Like road trains at Marla was crazy, so yeah, pretty good.
This is Az's fine recording.
Yeah.
Join us next time for some testing of the cars before prologue and then the 2 days of the race.